Hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video I will show you how to access the admin page in WordPress. So basically there is so many people that don't know how to actually open this dashboard, how to use it, how to do a lot of stuff in it. So in this video that's what I'm going to do. First of all, I'm using the WordPress on my local host, so it is on my PC. So that's why the link it is not the same for me as you guys, but what you have to do is go to wordpress.com/wp admin. That's how the page will look like after you open it. So for me, I will just have to use my username and then password in here. You can click on here to make them remember you. So click login, and that's how the page would look for you at the beginning. Here is the admin page, which will give you all the permissions to add and delete or edit your website. Here you can see the dashboard. Here is the home. Here is the updates that you have in your website, and could be and plugins that could be updated, and even themes. Here is the posts. Here you can find media. Here you can find pages. Here you can find comments and appearance. There is other like multiple options of this appearance. There's themes. You can add a theme, customize these themes, add widgets, remove widgets, add menus, remove menus, background, and theme editor, which is the HTML version of your template. Here you can edit your okay, I understand. Here we can edit your WordPress template using HTML if you are good at it. Now here is the plugins. Here you will find the plugins, all the plugins that are on your PC, on your WordPress website. You can find the activate ones, the inactivate ones, and the updated they must be updated. Of course, here you can delete them, and from here you can add new and install new plugins. Here is the user interface. You can add a new admin for your website by adding new and give it some options. Here's the tools, which will be a lot of tools. There is importing your data, exporting data, your site health, export personal data, and erase personal data. And from here there is settings, which is normal settings like name, time, and etc. So yeah guys, that was it with today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.